Well, hello there, Runaway Mine Train fans! Drew here with the Disney Rabbit Hole. This video is a full ride-through of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Today, we'll be skipping the Lightning Lane and standby entrances and using the wheelchair entrance instead, which just means we'll enter through the exit. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a mine train roller coaster in Frontierland at a handful of Disney parks worldwide. At Disneyland in California and the Magic Kingdom in Florida, the ride is called Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. At Tokyo Disneyland and Disneyland Park in Paris, the ride is called Big Thunder Mountain. Did you know that Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is also the name of the make-believe railroad depicted in the ride itself? Well, now you know. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be awesome if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. There are 6 different trains on Big Thunder. Look on the side of each locomotive to see their names. You can ride You Be Bold, You Are Daring, You Are Courageous, I Am Brave, I Be Hardy, and I Am Fearless. I wonder which one we'll get today. Have you ridden Big Thunder Mountain Railroad before? Do you know this ride's secret nod to the defunct attraction that it replaced? If you do, tell me in the comments. Now, have a seat, and let's go on the wildest ride in the wilderness, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at Disneyland.
How far